Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to turn a 2D illustration into a photorealistic 3D model using Google AI Studio in 2025. This tool makes it possible to transform flat artwork into realistic, textured, and detailed 3D designs that you can use for animation, gaming, or presentations. Step 1. Log into Google AI Studio. Once you are inside the dashboard, click on Create New Project. Step 2. Upload your 2D illustration. You can use a drawing, a character sketch, or even a simple design. Make sure it is clear and high quality so the AI has the best input to work with. Step 3. In the text box, type a prompt asking the AI to convert your illustration into a 3D model. For example, you can write "Turn this illustration into a photorealistic 3D character with natural lighting and textures." Step 4. Click Generate and wait a few moments while the AI processes your file. Depending on the complexity of your illustration, it may take a minute or two. Step 5. Once the 3D model is ready, preview it in the built-in 3D viewer. You can rotate, zoom, and inspect every detail to see how your illustration has been brought to life. Step 6. Export your model in the format you need, such as OBJ, FBX, or GLTF, and you are ready to use it in your projects, and that is it. You just turned a 2D illustration into a photorealistic 3D model using Google AI Studio in 2025. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what AI tutorial you want to see next.